Hello YouTube. Today we're going to be making kefir. What you're going to need is a half-gallon jar, some cane sugar, about 1/4 cup, your kefirs, 3½ cups of water, and a half a cup of hot water. You're also going to need your coffee filter and something to hold it down onto your half-gallon jar. And again, this is Water Kefir. Okay, first you're going to add your hot water into your half-gallon. Are you putting the sugar in? And then you add your 1/4 cup of cane sugar. I guess that's coming back. Okay, and next you're going to add your 3½ cups of water. And then your kefir goes in next into the water. By the way, I have dear husband helping me out today. So now this is going to sit for 3 to 4 days. Then we're going to change the water out. So we're just going to get rid of this water, add some new water to it and some fruit, and start again. Thank you guys.